Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your WordPress, WooCommerce, Blocksy shop sidebar to be on the left or on the right hand side. As you can see, we have our product catalog or shop page here. All of our products are here, but we don't have a sidebar. In a different video, we've shown you how to enable or disable the sidebar, but we got a viewer asking, how do we put it on the left or the right hand side? Real simple. Let's go ahead and click on Customize on the top toolbar over here, and that should take us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, once we're here on the right hand side, we can see our preview, and on the left hand side, we can see the toolbar. So let's scroll down to WooCommerce, and let's click on Product Archives. And while we're here, let's scroll down a bit further, and you can see we have Sidebar. Now, in an old video, we've shown you how to enable or disable it. Just click on this, and it should be enabled. And there we have it. We have our sidebar enabled. Okay, but this video is about how do we put it on the left or the right-hand side. Now, you can see once we've toggled it on, we've enabled it, this little arrow pops up. Or we don't have to click on this arrow, we can just click on this whole sidebar thing. And now we can choose whether we want it on the left side, okay, or on the right side. Now let's put it on the left side because, just because we can. And now let's click on Publish. And let's wait for that to save. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and reload our site. And now you can see we have our WooCommerce sidebar on the left-hand side. And again, we can just go back here and choose left or right and publish it to get that. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.